Social media is a collection of online communications channels dedicated to community-based input, interaction, content sharing, and collaboration. Although all United States citizens have freedom of speech, teachers must be aware of their social media use. In Spanierman versus Hughes, the court ruled it is reasonable for school districts to expect educators with supervisory authority over students to maintain a professional, respectful association with students. The teacher would communicate with students as if they were their peer, not their teacher. In 2010, the case of Land versus Lyons Cruz Public School Board of Education defined the conditions authorizing disciplinary proceedings when teachers are pictured on social media in a fashion that insults the susceptibilities of a school community. The district was not able to support their case because they did not have an established policy. The case proves that whether the posting is accidental, unintentional, or unauthorized, it should not necessarily inspire the same administrative reaction as posts intentionally aimed towards students, co-workers, or parents. When crafting social media policies, urban and rural districts, decision makers are getting input from stakeholders to craft social media policies that can prevent misuse but do not interfere with free speech or the educational benefits of the technology. Written policies are in place in order for teachers to have a guide to follow. Some criteria that districts should consider are drawn on the experience of other districts and organizations, even those in the private sector. The New York City Department of Education issued social media policies prohibiting teachers from interacting with students on social media outside of school hours. The policy also cautions that employees should have no expectation of privacy when they utilize social media for school-related purposes. Districts with social media policies unanimously prohibit the online sharing of student information and data, such as test scores, as well as information on other district personnel. The Los Angeles USD's policy for networking outside of school reads, accepting invitations to non-school related social networks from students under age of 18 is strongly discouraged and on a case-by-case basis may be prohibited by the site administrator. Madison Metropolitan School District's policies include district versus private use, social media use in the classroom, and standards of professional conduct. Each guideline serves as a reference tool for staff members when using social media sites. Most importantly, teachers' online behavior must replicate the same criteria of professionalism, reverence, and integrity as their face-to-face communications.